Alright, in Filipino, ngayong 2025, ang DPWH ay naglaan ng kabuuang halaga ng 248 bilyon sa pag-akula ng mga baha. Ngunit sa ngayon ay nakakaranas pa rin tayo ng malawakang pagbaha sa buong bansa. Ano ang masasabi mo sa isyong ito?
I would like to say that it's a very big money, 248. I think that we should allocate that to spending it for more sustainable ways. Because I believe with my advocacy, which is youth empowerment through environmental protection and action, I strongly believe that it is aligned with the RA 9729, which is the Climate Change Act of 2009. I strongly believe that we should focus in really focusing in protecting our nature so that we may not experience these floods and these problems that are arising these days. I strongly believe that we have the power to really use our voice, to really knock on the doors of those people that are in charge so that our whispers will definitely echo to their minds. Thank you.
Wow. Very well said. You have a very strong speaker right here.